Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve 8 ball disconnect. To know how to fix or how to solve 8 ball disconnect, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to 8 ball. When you will find this page of app info, you will enter to force stop and you click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. When you'll find this page, you will click on clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about 8ball. When you find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.